How to fix Instagram live option not showing. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram live option not showing. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your Instagram and then you're going to click on profile at the bottom right. After that, you'll be able to see the three horizontal lines at the top right. You'll be redirected to settings and activity. Here, you're going to scroll down and click on account privacy. You're going to make sure that your account is set to public, and then you're going to go back, scroll down till you find the option of account status, click on it, and you're going to make sure that you are not on any limit and your account is working well. And then you're going to go back, and then next thing that you need to make sure of is that you have greater followers than 1,000. If you have followers less than 1,000, you will not be able to see live option. So if you have followers greater than 1,000 and all of these settings are well, then you should be able to go live on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.